Okay, agents, I am going to show you how to do your puzzle. This can be used in your escape room that you're designing. You can give each person a piece or a couple of pieces and they could put them together and figure out what the message is or why they have these puzzles to put together. You can also write your message on the back for extra challenge. So because I may want to use the back, I am going to cut it out so that I know how much space I have. And we also gave you an envelope that you can put your pieces in. You can put whatever you want on this. I think that for mine, I am going to put something that I might see in my house. And in this case, maybe at my dining room table, there is a vase of flowers. And that clue would come to my family and they would say, oh, okay, well, maybe what we need to do here is look for the vase of flowers. So I'm just gonna draw a simple vase. You can take as much time as you need on yours. Now, to make a good puzzle, you do want to have all the space filled in. So you don't wanna have a puzzle where there's a lot of white space, unless you just want it to be really, really hard. So you wanna color in the whole thing, so that there's at least something on each piece of the puzzle. And then when my family puts this together, they'll realize, oh, we have to go look on the dining room table where the vase is. So there's the front of my puzzle. If you feel like putting clues on the front of your puzzle, besides just the pictures, you can do that. The thing that we have given you to work with this challenge, though, is that we've also given you an invisible ink pen, and you can use the cipher that we just learned and put your next clue on the back of the puzzle. So for example, I'm gonna put a number code on the back of this puzzle, and this will be some numbers that the participants in my escape room are going to need to know in order to solve the puzzle. So I'm gonna write some numbers down, and they need these numbers. I'm writing an 8, a 5, a 3, and a 4, and a 2, 6, 7, 1. Now, no one can see that unless they're using the black light pen. Now the numbers that I wrote show up. Now, one of the reasons to do a simple code on the back of this is because you can't see what you're writing either. So if you want to be able to see it later, make it something simple. So now I've got the code on the back, and this is actually a clue on the front. So this is going to lead my participants to wherever it is that I want them to go. So then you just have to cut out your puzzle, and you want to cut it carefully. You don't want to get it too mixed up. This can be used to create all kinds of codes for agents and spies alike. So give it a try. Have fun.